My friends, you are about to see what I think is the very best crypto to buy today for 100x gains. I'm going to try something new here, and I would love your feedback. If you want to hit that like button, if you think this is something you want me to do in the future, please let me know. What I'm going to do is, instead of showing up and telling you exactly what I think the best thing to buy is today, I'm going to show you what I've already got. And live, I'm going to make a decision on where to put my money in crypto today. Instead of showing up, I want to crowdsource this and figure out together, because if I combine what you know with what I know, then we're going to have some magic happen. I see that crypto is the easiest way we've ever seen to build wealth. And I'm here to help you build wealth and lead by example. So what you're seeing is my portfolio. I've built this by buying $50 a day in crypto since December. I've put in 4,150 and I'm up about 700 on this. Plus there's a crypto or two that I can't track on here that I bought. So we're actually over 5,000 on this dollar cost averaging portfolio. And the reason I do this dollar cost averaging strategy is because this allows me to make a lot of little decisions and to build wealth over the long term. By making a lot of little decisions, I make little decisions that are really where I can get 100x on something, and I also make little bad decisions which don't affect me that much. I've been in crypto 9 years, and what I've noticed is in the past, I consistently would impulsively make huge buys. And if I impulsively buy something today, it only cost me 50 bucks. Not a big deal. Most days I make what I think are great decisions. So instead of today, like yesterday, I kind of impulsively just bought some more Bitcoin when it was as high as it's been in quite a while. And today I'd like to see if we can go for something that I want to buy a crypto that's going to 100x the fastest, and that's going to hold its value over the long term. So here's some of the things I'm thinking today. What's up, Giovanni, Kevin, Ivo, Fun and Cool? I definitely think a bull run is coming. I don't know if it's coming immediately, but I'll show you some news stories as well. I think that crypto, we are seeing worldwide that crypto is a better deal than the regular banking system. And that means what happened before may happen differently in terms of the cycles. We could see Bitcoin at almost any time push up to 100K, as it only takes a few big buyers putting in hundreds of millions to move the price. And then when the price moves up, retail all wants to buy and jump in too. So we've seen the price went down. It was up here, dropped to 20, went right back up to 26. I mean, this can move fast. And when it really goes up, it's going to go up. But I've already got 800 in Bitcoin. I've already bought Bitcoin like 8, 9, 10. Now I've bought Bitcoin 500. I bought Bitcoin like 15 days out of here. Same thing with Ethereum. I'd like to buy something besides Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now for me, I think these both have 100x potential. Everything I buy, I think it has 100x potential. These are probably going to be some of the longest 100x's though. Like, for Bitcoin to get to 2 million might take 6 or 8 years. There's something else I could buy that'll 100x probably faster. So let me know while we're live what you think I should buy here. Street Herbalist, oh my, Evan Almighty, Fun and Cool, Chai Sox fan, nice to see you. Thanks for watching from Denmark, Chicago, Houston, Lakeland, Florida. That's very close to me in St. Pete, Florida. Let me know what you think is the best 100x buy today. And if you'd like me to show up consistently, not having picked something before I go live, and allow you to influence my decision making. So one thing I'm looking at today is XRP. I think this could be one of the easiest 10x's if Ripple wins the court case. And so far what we've seen is looking pretty good for that. If XRP wins the court case, this could be like an immediate 10x. I'm leaning a little bit towards buying XRP today. It also didn't pump as much as Bitcoin recently. And I'm wondering if there's anything else I have in my portfolio that I might want to put more into that'll 100x soon. I'd love to get some more DEX tools. Chainlink looks like a definite 100x, although is anything gonna 100x faster? Phantom just had the FVM or the EVM upgrade for Phantom go live. That could pump at any time. Jasmine is getting delisted from Binance.us, which is a little bit of a downer. I'm already minting Zen. Gala's already up pretty high in terms of total market cap. I'll show you my watch list also, and we'll look at and anything you want me to look at, let me know. We'll take a look. Thanks. We got 9 likes, 49 viewers in 5 minutes. If you want to always know when I'm live, there's a link in the description to my Telegram channel. That it's just a notifications channel. So let's take a look at some of the news stories happening today. So here's one big positive for crypto. The CFTC, which is a commodity futures trading commission in the USA, they want to be in charge of crypto, and they should be in charge of crypto. At least anything except maybe a startup that's just doing an ICO, maybe that should register with the SEC. But the CFTC is already the definitive agency for Bitcoin, and it's been, several have said in the various justice department, and the CFT themselves says that Ethereum is a commodity and it's up to them to regulate it. So the CFTC is aiming, because all these government agencies want as much power and control as they can have, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission wants to be in charge of crypto, because that will give it lots more power, lots more money for its budget, and I'd say we collectively want the CFTC in the USA in charge of crypto. So this is a nice news story on Cointelegraph. You can see they're positioning themselves to be in the key regulatory position for crypto. So I think the SEC, in some way or another, whether it's the XRP court case or whether it's in another court case, at some point the SEC has already been getting crapped on. The judicial system or the regulators are going to say, look, you should not be messing around at a minimum with anything Bitcoin or Ethereum related, and quite possibly with almost everything else besides something like an ICO or a new coin launching. Almost anything besides that should be under the CFTC. So I'm liking the looks of this story today. I'll paste this. No, I can't do that, can I? I'm on 2 different computers. So that is a story that's looking good. What do you think we should buy today? I'm leaning towards XRP right now. I've bought XRP 3 different days, and the XRP price has been very stagnant over the last few months compared to, like, Bitcoin and Ethereum have went up quite a bit. The XRP price has been kind of flat. What do you think we should buy today? AMP and Kava are 2 of the suggestions. Are you going to make $1 million with a heavily diluted portfolio? I think right now is one of the easiest times in the world to build a wealth. Hey, well, thank you for the super chat. First super chat of the stream. Let's go. I need to Google that. What is SAR? Thank you, SAR currency. I don't even know what that is, but I'm about to learn something. The Saudi Rial? That's 1999 from Saudi Arabia. Let's go. Alone, thank you very much for the first super chat of the stream, the most important super chat, because if there's not a first, there's not a second. I intend to keep going live with you each day as well, because that's how I want to have a community here, and if we hang out on the live stream, we can build a community. Thank you very much, Alone, for that big love from Saudi Arabia. Pong Heroes. All right, so you guys are suggesting Pong Heroes and AMP. I'll take a look at both of those and give you my thoughts on Pong Heroes and AMP, and we'll keep looking at I think I already have AMP on here. No? I thought I had AMP on here. All right, let's take a look at AMP. Now, Pong Heroes sounds like a game. All right, I'll add this to my watch list. We'll do some research on this right now. So let's put this over in the Brave browser, and we'll do some research on AMP right now in real time. So I love doing these live streams with you. I'm going to keep going live instead of cranking out all those videos. All right, so let's take money into the 21st century. That seems a little 20 years ago, but all right. I hope and anything you want me to review, let me know. I mean, right? That's so 20 years ago. Like, it's 2022. We've been in the 21st century for a while. All right, what is this? AMP is an extensible, what the f is an extensible platform? An extensible, I need to Google that. Let me Google that. I don't even know exactly how they're using extensible in this context. Extensible, able to be extended or stretched. All right, you know where my mind went. I have something that's extensible as well. AMP is an extensible platform for collateralizing asset transfers. All right, this, at the risk of sounding dumb, what does that mean? By staking AMP, any form of value of exchange can be guaranteed. Okay, I'm not getting, like, what's the point of this? I'm not getting what's the point of this. Once staked, okay, ready to collateralize, decentralize the risk of an asset transfer. And I don't know if I want the risk decentralized. Some centralized entity should take it if something goes wrong. Okay? AMP also simplifies the network reward. AMP helps you decentralize. Is this an ERC20 token? I'm so tired of buying ERC20 tokens. I mean, I'm thinking about buying Quant today also. I've been watching videos on Quant. Now, there is a bias. There is a bias that we should look at. There is a bias. Where's a nice thread on this? Oh, y'all think this is an alien? Look at that. This says Ring doorbell footage from Lake House on Lake Huron. That's what if your doorbell, you hear the doorbell ring, you see that standing. That's one of my bookmark tweets. Where's my thing on, there's a thread I had here. I got a tokenomics thread booked. There's a bias thread I wanted to look at too. Yes, I have tweets. All right, I'll need to go bookmark that. We'll find that. But, all right, so one of the biases that exists in crypto and investing is if you have something, you think it's good. Just because you have it doesn't necessarily mean you think it's good. I'm really tired of buying ERC20 tokens, though, because I can't withdraw those from Coinbase without getting hit with a fat fee, so I essentially need to keep my stinking tokens on Coinbase. Tradalorian says, if it sounds confusing, then it's certainly not simplified. Yeah, I mean, this is not making any sense to me right now. Like, this website, AMP helps you. All right, let's continue reading this. What's up, Jeremy? Thanks for the Coinbase advanced trading tip. My great pleasure. My great pleasure. I'm glad by showing it. If any of you don't know or haven't seen, you can use Coinbase advanced trading. I made a video on this. It will save you a lot of money trading on Coinbase. It's scroll back right here or just search for it. But here's the video. How to buy more crypto and pay less fees on Coinbase. You can literally buy for, instead of like a $2 fee, you can pay a 20-cent fee. 90%. Make sure if you use Coinbase, you've watched that video. It'll save you a bunch of money. I kind of can't believe they make it so easy. Is Fetch AI worth investing today? So I've looked at Fetch AI. I'm not that impressed with any AI project I see. So first impression, I'm not that impressed with AMP so far. So Fetch AI, it already has a $300 million market cap. I don't see that Fetch AI is really doing anything that great. It's these companies like Google and Facebook and OpenAI, they put a lot of money and time into getting these AI technologies working. I've looked at Fetch AI. If we look at like what exactly is this, I mean, it looks like it is promising, but to me it looks like it's accurately valued. Like it looks like it's worth about 300 and some million. And there's no max supply for it either. And does this actually have its own blockchain? I'd prefer to invest in things that have their own blockchain. So if it has its own blockchain, I certainly like that better instead of just being a token. I don't know if this is 100x or not. Taboo token is good? What do you think of it? Alone, which one did you ask about? Kava and Flow. All right, I'll take a look at Kava. I'd love to know what you think. What do you think is the best 100x to buy today? That's what we're trying to figure out collectively here. And if you think something is 100x, I would love to know why. Why do you think it's 100x? To me, this does not look like... I don't see this 100xing faster than Bitcoin or Ethereum at this rate. Like this would need to be fully diluted. For 100x, you're looking at $50 billion market cap, which is where Binance is at today. By the time this hits 50 billion, based on, oh, this is on Cosmos. Okay, great. I mean, this has, I don't see that this is like revolutionary, new, severely disrupting tech. Like, this could be useful. I'm not seeing, and I would love for you to show me. I would love to learn something here. All right, so let me finish off AMP right here. Maybe, and there are some projects that just aren't sexy. Like, they're useful and they're gonna do well, but they're not sexy to look at. Which, like, Gala Games is sexy. People get that. But I don't know if the project is actually that good. Gaming is a brutal industry to be in. Non-inflationary. When new projects adopt AMPed, existing implementations benefit as a result of the token's fixed supply. All right. AMPed has a fixed supply. I do like that. Now, the fully diluted on AMP is significantly, you know, there's only 42%. I don't see AMP being 100x at this rate faster than Bitcoin or Ethereum. I think both of them are going to 100x within the next 7-8 years. Tell me what you think the next 100x project is. I'm gonna say no to Fetch AI today. I'm gonna say no to AMP. And you can always clip my live streams if it 100x's and you told me and be like, ha ha, told you so. Let me know, what do you think is the next 100x projects? You think Hex? All right, I did a little review on Hex, and I'm not going to do dedicated negative reviews anymore because there's kind of no point. I can just... All right, so Hex... Here's the thing with Hex. If Hex were to 100x, you're looking at Hex would need to be 1.5 trillion in market cap. And fully diluted, 50 trillion. Now, the fully diluted on Hex is an issue. And with Pulse Chain launching, I think Hex on Ethereum is going to be dead. Why would you use Hex on Ethereum? I'm sure they'll try and make some liquidity thing to use it to get into Pulse Chain or PulseX. And it's certainly, Hex could definitely 10x. But the question is Hex going to 10x or is XRP going to 10x faster? The more the Hex price goes up, the more tempting it is for somebody to knock out the liquidity on it as well. So Hex has went up quite a bit lately, but that doesn't mean it's going to keep going up. So if we look at the all on Hex, I mean, it already did hit like 50 cents up here, but then you can see it went down pretty rapidly to 13 cents. In a few months here, it went down to 13, back up, and then crashed all the way down to 1 cent. So I don't see Hex being 100x on Ethereum. Maybe on Pulse Chain. I don't see Hex being 100x. Crypto Shady, nice to see you. I post Hamid, Ivo, what's up? Is Bitcoin Diamond a long-term hold? I don't think I've taken a look at that yet. So to me, Hex is also not appropriate for my $50 a day strategy. In order for me to buy Hex, I would need to go buy it on Poloniex or BitGet or something. Then I would just need to sit there and hold it. But the real money to be made is in staking Hex. Now, if you're looking at this and you see that Hex mining averages 38% returns a year, well, I'm getting royally screwed if I'm not staking it. So Hex to me is very much a whale crypto. It's not something in its present state that's good for retail. And if I bought Hex, I would just get crushed by people staking it and by the fees I'd have to pay to not have it on a centralized exchange. So Hex is definitely not it for me. I did think it was funny some of you on the comments asked if Joe Paris and I broke up. I'm like, no, Joe thought that was funny too, and he's gonna make a rebuttal video to my Hex and my Seedify video. And just because Joe thinks Hex is awesome and has a big bag of it, I have none of it, and I'm not that excited about it. Life is more interesting if we have differences. My wife is the opposite of where I'm at politically on many things. My mind has been saying that if she votes a certain way next election, if she votes Biden again next election, we're not going to be able to stay together. That's what my mind has been saying. I let her vote for me last election. Then I realized, wow, This is what happens when I don't pay attention to politics. Whoops. All right, what do you think we should look at next? Hedera, I've got a video on Hedera. I like Hedera, and I've already made 2 videos on Hedera. So you'll see I'm holding, I've got 1,892 H-bar. I've got some, I don't know if I want to buy more Hedera though, right now. But please let me know what you think the quickest 100x is that we can buy today. So Hedera is a third, basically, looking at internet computer protocols kind of ruined me on Hedera. Because all the stuff you would like about Hedera, internet computer protocol does it better. I mean, it's kind of awful, but the internet computer protocol has more accounts. It's better. It's so much better than Hedera. It's kind of dumb how much better it is. Like, so if you look at internet computer protocol, this internet computer protocol actually builds everything. Like this whole website is hosted on internet computer protocol. The transaction cost way lower than Hedera. It has over 2 million accounts on it, and it truly is a blockchain singularity. Like, to me, the internet computer protocol has kind of ruined me on all the other 3rd generation blockchains. I mean, this to me, I bought this twice recently. So if you look, I bought 50 on the 10th, 50 on the 11th. I might buy more today. You staked 107 ICP. You think you may miss the bull run? Well, that's how long did you stake it for? Until May next year? Could you have a look at price tools, please? What do you know? You're Canadian? All right, so I've been looking at Quant. I've been thinking about picking Quant up again. It's an ERC20 token. But while I do like Quant, what I like about Quant is that Quant is doing something that I don't see anything else doing. So Quant is it's an enterprise play, so a B2B play. Like I heard Cryptos R Us said he's not interested in Quant because it's a B2B play. I'm not gonna just fail to be interested in something because it's a B2B play. However, you know, this is not something that's kind of as interesting for retail investors in terms of actually using. As you see here, this is built for enterprises. Now, what Quant essentially is, it's developed what you could call an operating system for enterprises to use that can leverage all these different blockchains. Can I do a review on IOST and Strax? We can look at it. eGold? Do you mean eGold or eGeld? So if I get Quant, I'm also stuck on Quant buying an ERC20 token. What I do like about Quant, the price is pretty good. The Quant price, it did hit 400 or 200, almost 400 at the top of the bull run. The price it did bottom out at 52 in 2022. The price is about the low end of where it's been recently though. Whereas some of these other cryptos are up quite a bit. So the Quant price seems pretty good today relative to where everything else is. All right, y'all, you've been asking. Quant is definitely on the maybe buy it list. Can I do a poll on this? All right, what do you think we should buy today? XRP, Quant, or something else? What do you think is gonna get our 100x gain? I'll take a look at Pong Heroes. That's been requested. You reckon Shiba can 100x? I think that's going to be very difficult, but possible. All right, Pong Heroes. This looks like a micro cap. And some of the micro caps that are outside the top 500 very well could 100x. Now, this is tiny right now. That's never what she said. Actually, yeah, after I just got out of the shower or the pool, that might be what she said. But this is a baby right now. My God. Fully diluted market cap, 500K. Okay, now we need to look at Dex Tools on this one. Hope there's not like a porn site called Dex Tools or something. All right, let's take a look at this on Dex Tools. So I hope this is helpful to show you my research process and my thinking process, because, you know, this can be one of the big challenges here is to figure out how this works. All right, so we're gonna look liquidity here. These other liquidities are should be the right one. All right, so there's 264K in liquidity, which is pretty good. A couple thousand in volume. Let's make sure we're on the right contract. So this is the exact same contract, right? Except somebody just dumped right now. Somebody just dumped right while I was doing this. I like what Joe Paris did a live stream. He usually just does videos, but somebody, like 5 people unsubscribed as soon as he went live. And he's like, that's nice. 5 of y'all unsubscribed. I was just laughing so hard because I could totally relate to that. All right, so new rule I've got in place. Absolutely. I think everything with a buy and sell tax is a total. Am I cursing on this one? We swore on, I generally, let's not curse. But this is horrible. I will not buy something with a buy sell tax again. Your project sucks if you have to put a buy and sell tax on it. No buy and sell tax projects. That means I'm eating 6% just to get in and out of it. So Pong Heroes is an absolutely not. I don't care if this does 100x. I don't care. I'm not buying in for 3% and then selling out for 3% because you can't think of a better business model than taxing me. You're as bad as the government. So thank you for the suggestion for Pong Heroes. No. No Pong Heroes. Crypto Shady, that was a ruthless video with that cursing. It was. If you want to hear me swear, a lot, watch me destroy this altcoin and drop the F word just enough times to still get to have my ad revenue. Right? I cursed this coin out and I figured out that it was a total scam. And now it has great branding, but I found out this, God, don't tell me this is pumped either. Let me go to Dex Tool. Let me look at social AI. All right, what do you think when 100x? I'm going to say no on Shiba. No on Shiba. Shiba, I already have Shiba, so I'm not going to miss out. If Shiba does, y'all better not be buying this. All right, the total liquidity, 78K. Yes! Yes! This, either somebody all got screwed on this, or somebody watched my video and sold. All right, so people did sell this, which is good. All right, so look what happened. This thing got wrecked. Somebody, probably the scammer, took their profits on this. The scammer looks like they probably took their profits on this. So this had pumped up a bit more. And it just took a fat dump. I hope nobody ever buys this again. And I thank you to each of you who have a Dex Tools membership that crapped on this after I did my video. This is an absolute blatant scam. I have found out the website the guy's using is a $120 WordPress theme, and you call it a DApp. All right, so enough on that one. Should we buy Quant or XRP today? Quant or XRP today? Let me know what you think. Thank you for the 30 likes. We're up to 120 something viewers. If you prefer me to just come in raw like this and not even know what to buy, it's kind of scary for me to come in. And I got about 15 more minutes before I do a hot, sweaty yoga today. I don't usually do the hot yogas, but I was feeling it. What else do we want to look at today? What do you think? You think Quant or anything else? Let me know. We got about 15 more minutes. Altura? Hey, what's up, Sab? Nice to see you, Sab. Heart. Rich, quirky data. Yeah, the Bluezilla launch pads have a 20% cell tax. That's so garbage. I hate cell tax. Tim Boyd, what's up, Tim? Ivo, please check MRMRK. All right, so we got some for XRP, Summer Quant. All right, I think Shiba, a few of you asked about Shiba, so I'm holding Shiba. I've got 40 in Shiba because I bought it and then it went down. Shiba's one of the worst performers in my portfolio so far. I have 3 million Shiba. So if it goes to 30 cents, I'll be a Shiba millionaire. But you got to look at these zeros. You got to take a look at the market cap on this. It's already 5 billion. You realize for 100x, it'd need to go to where Bitcoin is today. Now that is possible. But it's a meme coin. And it is working on the layer 2. Will we ever see this top that we had before, though? Remember, this top up here, this top up here, it still had 4 zeros. So we're down here now. This zeros make my eyes go funny. So the highest it's ever been is 6 times from where it's at. But if there are so many zeros in this thing, just to get to 1/10 of a cent would be 100x. So people saying Shiba's going to $1. You realize if it went to $1, you'd have to go, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. It'd be a $50 trillion market cap to get to $1. I mean, that's possible. I already am sitting on some Shiba, though. I don't have any quant. And if XRP, if Ripple wins the court case, that could be a, you know, this could be the last chance to buy Ripple below $1. XRP, for God's sake. Yeah, it's Ripple. Ripple's the company, XRP's the ledger. Okay, thank you for clarifying that. Rabbit, all right, what else do y'all want? CKB? NewNet, Shiba Doge, AIPad. AIPad, I say absolutely not on AIPad. And I'll show you this real quick. AIPad, this is why not on AIPad. 2% circulating supply. I'm not buying something with 2% circulating supply. AIPad effectively is already $120 million market cap. So if you look at GameZone, which is another launch pad, the fully diluted on this is only 30 million. And let's look at, what's that other one? Meta VPad? Look at a Meta VPad. This one's 50 million. And those are fully diluted. So you're telling me on the AI pad 120? Nah, this is gonna absolutely freaking tank right here. I wouldn't touch that. What? All right, you got 9 million Shiba, nice. You got the elephant money. Oh, no, elephant money, no. See, I'm going to say this is why, actually, somebody that loved elephant money paid to talk to me about elephant money for 2 hours. One single reason, absolutely not on elephant money. 10% buy tax, 10% sell tax, no, thank you. That means if I buy and then sell immediately, I just lost 20%. Why would I want to screw myself like that? If I wanted to screw myself, if I wanted to pay to get screwed, well, I know how to do that. I used to do that. So I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't pay to get screwed in elephant money. I definitely wouldn't pay to get screwed in elephant money. Crypto Shady, you want to see some dancing? I think I'm early. I'm early. Thank you for the $3 Australian. Come on, it's lagging. It's lagging. Have you checked out? Yes, this is an absolutely not. I will absolutely not buy anything with a buy-sell tax. Your project is trash. It's trash if it has a buy-sell tax. There it is. Will the real Crypto Shady please stand up and put one of those fingers on each hand up and be proud to be out of your mind and out of control? One more time, loud as you can. How's it go? Cause I'm Jerry Banfield. Yes, I'm Jerry Banfield. All the other Jerry Banfields are just imitating. So won't the real Jerry Banfield please stand up? Real Crypto Shady. Thoughts on VRA? I'll take a look at VRA. What about Zen? Zen could definitely 100x. Zen, I've already got some Zen and I'm minting Zen, so I don't see why I would buy any more Zen. You got Quant when it was 45 bucks. All right, let me scroll up and see. All right, right now it's either XRP or Quant. Quant will be easier to buy. I have to send USDC off of Coinbase to grab XRP. Can I do a poll on here? Let me do a poll. All right, start a poll. What to buy for 100x? It's either Quant or XRP or something else. Wait, what? All right, here we go. Quant, XRP, something else. All right, I'm gonna do a poll right here. Or should I put like Ethereum on there? That's almost troll. All right, now, all right, there's a poll. Use this poll. All right, tell me what you want. Quant, XRP, or something else. Let me look at Vio. I know, I think XRP is such an easy buy. All right, Vio. Thank you, Crypto Shady, for the tip. All right, I just looked at this. I just looked at this one. So, this is an AI project. and it's providing things like blockchain-based AI assistance. Now, this definitely has some potential. This definitely has some potential. It's outside the top 500, which Superman did his analysis. Now, too bad you wouldn't have scraped this at less than half a cent when nobody else wanted to buy it. However, it has been, it just recently was up to 25 cents, down to 8 cents, 12 cents. These AI cryptos have been very volatile. This meets what Superman Crypto, this falls pretty squarely into his cryptos that pump, like the basic metrics on them. Let's look at this on, it's another ERC20 token, my favorite. 6,000 holders is kind of weak. 6,000 holders is not that many. So that's, I mean, 6,000 holders, $20 million market cap, that's okay. That's not a lot of holders, though, for... Yeah, that's not a lot of holders. That's not a lot of people that are going to be doing free marketing on this. All right, so far, XRP's got 39%, Quant 29, and something else. You guys are saying not Quant so far. All right, this does look promising. I might put into this one day. The ERC20 token part is obnoxious. Where can I even buy this? MEXC probably, KuCoin. It's not on MEXC. All right, so I'd have to send USDC from Coinbase to KuCoin, then swap USDC for USDT, then swap USDTC for VI. Then I get F'd in the A on KuCoin for a $20 freaking withdrawal fee, which I'm not going to do. So I'd have to just sit. If I bought this ERC20, I'd have to just sit on this indefinitely in KuCoin until hopefully they can get some like layer 2 or scaling solution or sharding or something. I am stuck holding that on KuCoin if I buy it. So this is on my watch list. I'm thinking about it. Or I'd have to pay an Ethereum gas fee to swap it in something like MetaMask. And Lord knows we don't want to do that. Let's see what the price is right now. Y'all want some XRP today? Really? XRP's at 40%. The G-Way is 38, which is pretty reasonable. Ethereum is down 64,000 ETH since the merge. So definitely, this is why ETH is my biggest bag. ETH is my biggest hold right now. I have a half ETH. I want to get a whole ETH. Out of all these, though, I don't know that any of these except XRP are going... I mean, Bitcoin could suddenly run up to 35 or 40. I don't see any of these 10xing faster than XRP might, though. Internet Computer could get some institutional investment at any time. Ethereum could certainly pump hard off the CBDC narrative and use case. Do you see any of these potentially 10xing faster than XRP? That is what I'm very interested in. Use Uphold? Uphold has crappy prices. So if is that final answer? Are we gonna go XRP? Final answer today for 100x. So if XRP wins the court case, and things are looking good so far, although Coin Bureau says that SEC's never lost a crypto case, I guess in this capacity. So if for XRP to 100x, we need it to be $36. Is that reasonable? I mean, not necessarily next week or anything, but let's say XRP, it's already at a 36 billion fully diluted. We'd be looking at 3 trillion for it to 100x. XRP's got 50% of the supply out. XRP's actually been pretty stable. It's had some pumps up here, but it's been pretty stable. It hasn't had a big pump since 2017, my friends. I mean, all right, it went up to like $1.50 here, but that's nothing compared to what others did. XRP has not had a day in the big pump since 2018 back here, and it was $3 in 2018. Y'all, so you think... Yeah, I mean, that's 100x. Well, so the theory on XRP is that this will get globally mass adopted for whatever you know, this will get globally mass adopted along with Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's the theory. It looks like they have a lot of partners and a lot of exchanging already. Now, at 18 billion though, and 36 fully diluted, the XRP to BTC chart is so oversold. What do you mean? I could use some clarity on that. The XR, so where is the XRP? I forget where it is in here sometimes. There's a button to switch this to Bitcoin instead of USD. Sometimes it disappears on me. I don't know how that happens. What about Hex? I don't want to buy Hex. We talked about that. Big Data Protocol, Crust, CRO wallet to buy XRP. Do I have it on CRO? Let me take a look. We're about to head to Yoga, so we're about to make the final decision. XRP is now down to 35. Quant is closing in at 32. GPT, I'll look at it. Let me see if it's in the CRO wallet. I would like to buy XRP in the CRO wallet. It's going to be XRP or Quant. I could buy Quant instantly on Coinbase. Vote Quant if you don't want XRP. So Quant's a lot smaller market cap. Which window am I in? All right, Quant is a much smaller market cap. So if we buy Quant, I've been researching Quant. So Quant to 100x, you'd be looking at 100 billion. But if, all right, let me see. Can we actually buy this in XRP? No, it's not in my crypto.com wallet. It might be in yours. Lisa, what's up? The chat is popping today. Internet Computer hit 800 all-time high. Yeah, to me, Internet Computer, I've already bought that 3 times. I think we may buy that some more. Quant is down to 31. XRP's leading. 65 votes. All right, you want All right, last research here. GPT. Crypto GPT. I don't know, the GPT branding is just sketchy. Comfort Realm, nice to see you. Like, it just screams like, let's capitalize on a narrative. There's not even an Explorer set up on here. Like, they didn't even tag the Explorer correctly on here. Is this in my, yeah, let me put this in the other one. I don't like things that try and capitalize just purely on a narrative. It's like, it's cheesy. All right, it's on PancakeSwap. How many people even own this? AI revolutions for billions of users. It's the ZK layer 2 that lets you own the monetization of your AI data. All right, I'm a little bit skeptical. It is a nice website. The website is well done. It's not like the cheap WordPress website that the social AI scammer just threw together in a half second. This looks all right, actually. This does look all right. What is this on? MEXC? MEXC. Yeah, it's on MEXC. PancakeSwap. I could grab this. What are we gonna get today? The drama is building. Quant is 31%. Shiba Doge. Oh, making a decision. It's time. It's time to pull the trigger on something. I wish that, why is the Explorer not set up correctly on this? That's a big negative. Like, you can't submit your Explorer properly. Come on now. Maybe it's set up correctly on CoinGecko. All right, let me look this up real quick. I haven't researched this one enough. I think we need to research this one some more. All right, it's 8 cents right now. Where's the Explorer? Did they get it? Here, they set it up correctly on this one. All right, 1,600 holders? That is a baby. That is a baby. 8 cents at this, so that's already a significant market cap. Fully diluted market cap's already 250 million with 1,600 holders. I'll think about it. Well, I'll think about it. I'll put that on my watch list. We'll research that some more. I know, Explorer's not set up. All right, XRP. You think XRP? Okay. You want to buy XRP? Your last chance on the poll. Something else is actually winning over XRP now. It's intense. Hans just bought one quant. Nice. Buy some baby Doge. It's time to go to yoga. What am I gonna buy today? Quant or XRP? I could buy quant right now on Coinbase. Just stick it in all of a sudden. I really want to get XRP though. It's gonna take extra effort. All right, y'all. I'll make a decision. I know XRP. I think quant is gonna be a slower climb. I've already got some XRP though. I mean, I do have. I'd like to get 1,000 XRP before it shoots though. Oh, all right. I'm buying. It's born less than a week ago. That looks pretty good. All right, I'm buying XRP today. It's gonna be XRP. Crypto Shady dropped a super chat, so he gets extra votes. Please check Taboo. I'll throw that on my watch list. I watch a lot of videos and research while I'm offline. This has been a lot of fun with you today, just hanging out, going through the research project, going through the research process. We're gonna buy XRP today. I don't have time to buy it right now because we need to buy USD and send it to MEXC, but I will buy XRP today, my friends. XRP is the final answer. I don't know if I should retitle this either. I don't know if... yeah, I need to go to yoga, though. It's going to be sweaty up in that business. XRP is the final answer. I think XRP could definitely 10x pretty rapidly. Even if it loses the court case, it still might come back on exchanges. So I think XRP, I want some more XRP in my portfolio today. So we're going to do XRP today and tomorrow, which means I probably will not buy it 2 days in a row. Tomorrow, I would love to hang out with you again, probably go live around the same time. Thank you for so many of you hanging out. Thank you for the 46 likes, the super chat. I love each of you. Appreciate you being here. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day. I'm going to go sweat my butt crack off in yoga. Do a hot yoga.